Working with AI comes in roughly 3 levels. First, we have people who are AI curious. This group relies on the free tier of AI tools and only uses chatbots when someone reminds them to or when they're stuck. Level 2, we have the AI literate. These people pay for AI, maintain a prompts database, and they know when to use which AI feature and model. Level 3 is AI native. And in a nutshell, these people have redesigned their workflows assuming an AI collaborator exists.
Most people lose money-making opportunities with AI because they treat every chat like a throwaway conversation.
Most professionals are stuck at level 2, so in this video, I'll share the specific strategies, ordered from simple to advanced, that will get you to level 3. Let's get started. Kicking things off with the easiest habit to adopt, leave AI breadcrumbs. What this means is instead of treating AI chats as disposable, one-off threads that become almost impossible to find again, you want to create a hyperlink to the conversation and paste it directly into the document where you're actually using the output. I know this habit sounds silly and insignificant, but it works great thanks to the core productivity principle of always organizing your information by where you will use it, not where you found it. Diving into a real-world example, here's the actual Google Doc I used to prepare for a recent work presentation. The Final Outline tab has all my content, and the Helpful Hints tab has hyperlinks to my AI conversations. Taking a step back, let's say I'm building this presentation from scratch. I would first ask AI to rewrite my initial rough prompt so that it's optimized for the model.
But the moment you start saving those AI threads directly inside your project, everything changes. You stop restarting from zero and you start building real systems that work even when you're tired after your 9-to-5. That's how beginners turn AI into an actual income engine instead of a toy they poke once a week. Your first win comes from being organized, not being smart. Now let's move to step 2, where I'll show you the trick that makes your AI output instantly look like it came from a top consultant.
List. Moving on to habit number 2 that requires a bit more effort, build an AI swipe file system. In a nutshell, instead of prompting AI with basic instructions like write a business proposal, you provide a specific example from your curated library, aka your swipe file, and ask the AI to first analyze what makes it so effective, then apply those patterns to your new content.
Guys, I planned for a pretty long video packed with value education and real case studies, exactly the steps that we take. And we teach our students to make real money. And you, my friend, haven't liked the video yet. May I ask why? Yeah, come on, give me some inspiration. Like this video, share with your friends and family, and make sure you subscribe to the channel, switch on the notification bell button, because this is just the beginning. We upload a new training every single day and you want to get notified by YouTube. And the only way to do that is to subscribe to our channel and make sure you ask your friends and family to subscribe as well. And in this way, you also help us get 10,000 subscribers in next 90 days. So go ahead, like, share, and subscribe. Let's go.
For instance, let's say you work in OpenAI and you have this brilliant idea that you know users around the world will absolutely love. Pumping ChatGPT full of ads. Instead of starting a proposal from scratch, you open up your AI swipe folder to find examples of business proposals you've previously saved. Share them with the AI and say, analyze the business proposals I've attached, list the key patterns in structure and tone, then apply those patterns to my content below. And you paste your advertising product idea designed to maximize.
Most people use AI like a hammer, but step 3 is where you finally learn how to build the whole house. When you break your project into tiny tasks and label which parts AI should do, everything becomes faster. You stop guessing, you stop wasting time, and you finally start working like someone who knows what they're doing. This is how people with a 9-to-5 squeeze 2 extra hours of productivity out of thin air without burning out. And step 3 unlocks the habit that actually makes AI feel like a teammate. So let's dive in.
And number 3, we have AI first task planning. Heads up, this habit is probably the hardest to maintain consistently, but I promise you, just like going to the gym, it will make a massive impact over the long run. Put simply, this habit involves planning your AI use before you start a big piece of work.
I will tell you more about it in a moment. Basically, we do digital marketing, we use AI, we use automation, and in our 99% Done For You program, we help beginner 9 to 5ers and business owners like yourself earn high-ticket affiliate commissions like this. And the program is 99% done for you if you're thinking how you can start. You can start with the free training video. Just go to moshbari.com or click the link in the description or click the link in the bio to watch the full training video. It has 2 parts. In the first part, I will show you how we run our digital marketing business with AI. And in the second part, we will show you our program and how we can help you make these kind of passive commissions. So it's absolutely free to watch training. Go ahead, watch the training video. And if you have any question, DM me on Instagram. I'll be more than happy to answer all your questions.
This means breaking down complex projects into small, concrete tasks, then marking the ones AI can and should help with. Diving right into a real-world example, I used to be responsible for sending these weekly newsletters to our Google Ads customers with the goal of driving adoption of new product features, aka getting them to spend more money, basically. Before writing anything, I'd break down the work into steps and microtasks. Then I decide whether to do each microtask manually or use AI. If I use AI, I specify the exact tool that's best suited for.
If step 3 showed you how to plan with AI, step 4 is where your entire workflow finally becomes repeatable. Because once you start saving the prompts that actually work, you stop reinventing the wheel every day. Your content gets faster, cleaner, and more consistent. Exactly what busy beginners need to build a side hustle after work. This is how you turn one good prompt into a money-making system instead of a one-time win. And step 4 unlocks the habit that makes your results compound. Let's level up.
This brings us to a bonus habit that ties everything together: maintain a prompts database. I've talked about this many times before. Whenever you write a prompt that works well, save it to a central library organized by use case so you can reuse that prompt whenever you face that task again. The worst feeling is writing a perfect prompt 3 weeks ago that generated a perfect output, but today you can't find it, so you try to rewrite it from memory and the result is just which is also my girlfriend's reaction shortly after we started dating. A lot of you have been asking for my go-to prompts, so I spent quite a bit of time putting together a set of essential prompts that everyone can benefit from. Because I genuinely believe you don't need 1,000 random prompts, you need 10 to 15 battle-tested ones that you can use every day. I've been using and refining these ever since ChatGPT first launched.
Your side hustle becomes 10x easier the moment you stop rewriting prompts and start reusing the ones that already work. A solid prompt library is one of the biggest productivity boosts for beginners. Instead of starting from scratch every day, you pull a proven prompt and let AI run. This is how you stay consistent even when you're tired after your 9-to-5. It removes guesswork, boosts quality, and saves hours. Whether you like this video or not, really hit the like button. You know why? Because I gave you the exact training for free that our paid members get. This video is going to be in the members area for the paid members and you got it for free. So yes, don't you think I deserve a like? Go ahead, like it, share with your friends and family, subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet. Make sure you switch on the notification bell button. And of course, ask your friends and family to subscribe and switch on the notification bell button. It's very important for us because we have a goal of getting 10,000 subscribers in next 3 months. And the only way we can do that is when you hit the subscribe button. Go ahead, do it. And for more money techniques, watch these videos, and we will see you on the next one.